Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a quick look at time zones. So you have very similar diagrams that you guys will see all the time. Time zones help us to work out what the time will be in different countries of the world at any given time that we're currently in. So you can imagine the Earth rotates on its axis every 24 hours, and it will then, according to what we can work out here, then 24 hours, 360 degrees. So that's about every 15 degrees. So every kind of line of longitude coming down, it's about 15 degrees. It kind of divides up the different time zones. So you can see that the time zone that passes through Greenwich is given a 0, and then the other countries of the world will either be Greenwich Meridian Time minus so many hours or plus so many hours. So for example, the standard for South Africa is we are GMT plus 2 hours. So if it's 5 a.m. for us in South Africa, then for them it's usually 3 a.m. And I say usually because there's also daylight savings, and things do fluctuate by 1 hour every now and then. All right, so we can use these time zones to calculate different times throughout the world, and then we can ask you guys questions on those and see how. And just a quick mention that the governments and those people who are in charge of the various countries of the world will then make up their mind as to whether or not they will use time zones or which time zone they will use. So for example, South Africa only uses one time zone, even though we pretty much could use two. And China, for example, is actually big enough to use 4 different time zones, but they only use one. All right, thank you.